A total of 817,883 candidates from 15,388 examination centers registered for PLE in 2025. Of this number, 522,036, or 63.8%, from 11,525 centers were universal primary education UPE beneficiaries. English as the highest percentage of candidates at 18.5, demonstrating high ability levels, followed by mathematics, social studies with religious education. That overall at grade 8 and above, our candidates performed best in English, followed by integrated science, mathematics, and finally social studies with religious education was worst done. We have more candidates this year passing with first grade. That is 91,990, or 11.39%. And where there will be a prima facie case, the board's tribunal, the Examination Security Committee, will accord all the affected candidates a fair hearing before making the final decisions.
Ladies and gentlemen, join me to clap.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.